Page 249, this is the one at the bottom of the page. They're telling you in the text what chords you're going to need. They give you a hint, so you don't have to totally figure them out, although we still have to figure them out. So first, let's just do the melody here. 2 flats, whatever it is. Sounds like G minor to me, because it's either B flat major or G minor. It's G minor. The fingering, I like to have a fingering that allows me to connect the notes better, and I can hear the measure 5 going. I can do that, but it'd be nice to have some other finger on that G besides the thumb, make it a little easier to get to the 2. So it's like a measure 5. I had the 2 C's in the middle, and I changed hand positions. There. Well, I got 2 A's there. I can change hand positions there. So the position I want to be in is really here. So I'm going to put 5th finger on that A in measure 6. So it's measure 5, 5. I'm changing positions there. Now I can reach the 2. That's what I'm going to do because it's easier fingering. Now, I like that better, so there. Now, the chords. Let's see what we got here. In the text, they're telling you the chord. And then a 1, 6, 4 is down here, and then a 4, 6, 4, which is going to, a 4 is a C here. Now we're going to put the G on the bottom. Here. And then the 5, 7, and then the 2, 6. Well, 2 is here. I'm going to put the E flat on the bottom. Here. We just got to figure out which chord goes where. Well, it depends on the melody. So at the beginning, we're here in G minor, 1 chord, 1 chord, then a 4 chord, 1 chord. I guess back to the 4 chord because we got C's and E's in here. I need something with an A in it. Which of these chords has an A in it? Well, the 2 chord does. So we'll do that. The only difference between the 4 chord and the 2 chord is here. That's the difference. These notes are the same. So it's the 2 chord has an A in it, so I'm going to do that. And then a different chord. And then a 5, 7 chord. Here. Now the pattern they want is broken chord. I don't know what to do with this 5, 7 chord. You do something with it. Now they want you to transpose this to A minor. So instead of G minor, we'll go up to A minor, 1 note up. So all of my keys, except we're going to use G sharps, because that's the 7th step. And the melody, everything just goes up. Here. And the chords, and an A minor, and then the 4 chord, and then the 2 chord is here. We're using this. So it's, and then the 5, 7 chord for here. I used to play that. You do it. Take it slow and easy. Just experiment with the different harmonies and the different sounds they have and the different positions of different versions of where you're at, and see what you like.